This one actually is 0.
Yeah, this one does say 0, yeah. And if you're taking the test and you're panicking, you're thinking, I don't know how to round, you can always put more decimals. You know? You could put 2.5066 if that made you feel better. But actually, they will accept that, just like, or 2.507. They will accept either one, or if you have more. Actually, they don't even look after it, but you're fine.
I'm that kid that writes down everything.
And that's fine. As long as you have enough time, I have no problems with that. So f of x has a relative min at x equals, I forgot what it was.
2.507.
Okay. Because f prime of x, what?
Changes from negative to positive.
Yeah, changes from negative to positive. Is it enough to say change of sign?
No. Because
No.
that doesn't show if it's positive or
Right.
not. That just shows
It won't tell if it's a max or a min. Now, if it was just, is it a point of inflection? Changing sign's enough. But that's not what it is. Okay, C. Write an equation for the tangent line. So that should make us think what? Hot and sot. Yes.
And slope.
I glad the
Well, that's
fact
sot.
that we just
That's
did
slope.
this. And not that we remember.
For the tangent line to the graph of f at x equals 2, will the tangent line be above or below f?
Is this over and under approximation?
Yes.
Wow.
See, this is an actual AP question. It looks just like what we
When
do.
we get there, I'm not going to know what the heck is happening.
Yeah, I mean, if you tell yourself
Well,
that,
okay,
the way it's going to be. But the hope is we'll be able to review some.
Unlike last year.
It's not like, well, yeah, right?
I didn't
That
know
is the
any
hope.
of that.
Okay.
Miss King, or not Miss Page assigned so much new work.
Well, you didn't get a chance to get through it all.
But they didn't even use it.
Oh, well, she didn't know.
Because they were nice. We're like, we know you didn't do anything, so we're just gonna cut off those.
Yeah,
minutes.
she wouldn't have known.
And then when she knew or whatever, that like,
I don't blame her.
and then she just had these like 8-page review packets, and half of the stuff wasn't even what we wanted.
Point of tangency. Now, notice I didn't write pot.
Dang it, I did.
On the actual
They
AP
would accept
exam,
pot.
you might get a reader that, oh yeah, pot and sot, yeah. But you might not, and they might be looking at it going.
But does that matter?
I mean, if they figure it out and feel generous.
Can I do like pot and parentheses next to it, so then I can just keep using pot?
Yes,
Can I define
yes,
it?
you could do it once.
Oh, that is called defining, yeah.
Yep. But I just put PT of tan. I mean, that's not that much more. Okay, so point of tangency. We have that given to us. It was up at the top. It was 2 and 5.623. Yep. Slope of tangency.
We don't have that.
But we can figure it out. Slope of tangency is f prime of 2, which is plugging it into this equation. Now let me show you some shortcuts here. I don't think no I didn't. I think I was going to, but then I was like, it's going to be too complicated. Okay. Now. Oh, the point, f prime of 2 equals. All right. There's y1. We have it in there like that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Should we be asking if you're alright?
No.
I don't know what just happened.
Ashley's over there going.
She's doing cheer.
I was dancing.
So
Okay.
before you dance, but
So I don't want to type all that in.
I don't know.
Are we gonna do a little X equal?
Oh,
No,
yeah.
I'm just showing you what I'm
Can
going
we
to
do
do.
the X equals?
We can't see.
Oh!
That's why we're all confused.
Well,
Oh!
also what she just said to you.
Sorry. Stop it.
It broke.
No, it did. I just don't know what I'm
What's
doing.
happening?
What's happening?
Is this what a seizure feels like?
We're having a break in reality, guys.
Cancel. There it is. I couldn't
Today's
see it because it was in white. Okay, so I have to
Okay.
change it to a screenshot. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, that's how that goes.
So there's our y equals.
Yes.
And would you agree that that is y1?
Yes.
Okay, now I don't want to have to retype all that using 2 in place of x. I just don't want to. I'm lazy.
Me too.
So here's what we can do. If you go to F4, so you see F4 there?
I gotta click alpha.
Right, you have to click alpha F4. So get off this screen.
I did it.
Oh, I'm not. Actually
Yeah, hit
on
second,
the screen.
quit. And alpha F4.
Oh.
Now what that does is that pulls up y1, y2, blah, blah, blah.
Mhm.
So we put our equation in y1.
Mhm.
So if I hit number 1, it puts y1 there.
Parentheses 4.
And then if you just put parentheses and the number we want to plug in for x, it'll do it for us.
Oh. I have a number. Oh my gosh.
Negative.
Isn't that awesome?
Fine.
Yes,
And that would
very.
be correct.
Negative 0.459.
Yep. Everybody cool with that?
Yes.
I mean, you'll see me do it again. But
Oh my gosh, this solves so many
I
problems.
know, right? Okay.
I always type it in wrong the second time.
Or just type it in wrong the first time.
Okay, so it was negative 0.459, or if you just put negative 0.459, that's fine. You don't have to put the 0 there.
My brother.
Okay, so your equation then is
I usually forget there's a point there.
y minus y1 equals m, which that was that number we just found, times x minus x1. Well, and then we have it, seriously? Then we have to tell whether it's increasing or decreasing, or over
Approximately.
or under.
And
And
be over.
since, yeah, it ends up being concave down, or f prime of x is decreasing. So it's concave down, so the line is above the graph. So,
Yeah, it's concave down. So.
Because it has a negative slope.
I dropped the lid. Oh no. Oh no.
You dropped it.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be so out of it today.
I'm out of it. I woke up at 7 o'clock. That's school at 7:40. Yep.
See, I considered getting here early so I could practice. But then.
okay, so I guess we'll do the last question tomorrow. But I would go ahead and start the multiple choice, the assignment, so you can ask me questions about it tomorrow if you need to.
For reading something.
It is. I was about to try to lick my finger again.
Yeah, you can ask.
It says test for extra practice problems. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's just some practice multiple choice questions and other problems. Because we're having test Monday. Love you.
For